Hey, how you doing today? Sitting behind me is my 2001 Saab 93. I picked this thing up a few years back, and ever since it's been fairly neglected. It's just been sitting. Tabs on it are from back in 22 right now, and it only probably got about 100 miles put on it back then. This car has many issues that I'm going to detail through this video. Hopefully you can help me with a couple of them, as I really don't know where to start. Some of them are more simple. I will get through the process of letting you know here just shortly. Let me know if you think this thing is worth putting the time, effort, money into. Hopefully you enjoy the content and we can figure out some of these issues together and get this car back on the road. I'd love to maybe give this to my stepdaughter. Her car's kind of falling apart, but that might be more of a curse for her than a positive. Enjoy. Before I get into my list of all the negatives about this car, I'm going to start out with the pros. The body's fairly clean, the engine and transmission seem to work pretty good, and it was only $500. That's about it. Let me go ahead and see if this thing has any juice in the battery whatsoever. It's been sitting for darn near a year. Absolutely nothing. I purchased this little Viking jump pack box thing from Harbor Freight. I think it was just over $100 or right around there with a coupon or something. And the thing seems to work pretty well. So let's give it a shot on this, even though this battery shows absolutely nothing right now. Power this thing up. Show that for engine start. And let's see what happens. Well, we got music. Runs. Obviously we got a couple little gremlins in here. 114,000 miles on the clock, say 115 right around there. I believe that the airbag light is on because of the clock spring. I know in this car sometimes these buttons say if you want to use the volume it will change track or seek, you know, they just don't work quite right, and the horn doesn't always work as well. So I'm pretty sure that there's an issue in there. I went in and purchased one off eBay. It was only about 30 bucks. So we'll get to replacing that here fairly soon. It seems there's a pretty good vacuum leak somewhere coming from underneath the dash. I've been looking all under the hood and I can't hear it under the hood, but I can hear it under the dash. I think it might be coming from the back of the brake booster. If you have any experience with that, let me know. I don't want to just purchase a brake booster and guess. I tried to do a smoke test on the engine and with no luck didn't find anything. You can hear this hissing sound under the dash. Listen when I push the brake. Here's a super small issue, but it's still kind of weird and annoying, and I'm gonna fix it. It should be a really simple fix, of course. Somebody's had this whole dash apart before. You can tell that all this is missing, but for some reason, you hit the heated seat on this side, it warms up the passenger. Hit it on this side, it hits the driver. So I assume that they just got the plugs back there swapped, and it'll be really simple to swap that around after ripping this apart. I just want to say thank you if you stuck around this long. I don't know anything about editing, and this is the first I've ever tried. I'm basically using this channel to keep myself accountable so that I can get some of these projects done. I have many other projects. I got a BMW out there that needs an engine, thinking about doing an LS swap, not sure yet. That will be to come. I got a Harley out there I'm trying to get running, a couple other things as well, along with my GMC Sierra Denali and my Maserati Gran Turismo that I will be sharing some content on. Once again, thank you for watching. I will be making a part 2 to this. I'm getting a new camera tomorrow and a microphone, so hopefully the quality will be a little bit better. There's many other issues that I didn't show yet with this car, and hopefully you guys can help me with those as well. the brake booster or the vacuum leak issue. If anybody's experienced that, please let me know what you found out. If not, we'll figure it out together, and I will let you know as soon as I find out, and it will be shown in a future video as well. Once again, thank you very much. Hope to see you again. Have a good night, good morning, whatever time it is for you, wherever you're at. Thank you. Bye-bye.